for this project, I just used a bunch of leftover scraps of plywood. Now I'm using a hole saw bit on the drill press to make a bunch of circles for the lamp. I could have done this on the bandsaw, but this was just much easier. Then I put a smaller hole saw bit into my drill for more control, and then I cut all the circles into rings. I can't cut the top and bottom pieces of the lamp with the hole saw because it can't have a hole in the middle, so I cut out those pieces on the bandsaw. Now I'm just gluing all the rings together. Also, I lied, the bottom piece does need a hole in it. I forgot that there's going to have a cord coming out of the bottom. So what I did was I just drilled a hole in the bottom piece, and then I chiseled out a little channel for the cord to come out the side. Next I used some spray adhesive to glue some sandpaper onto my workbench, and then I stapled it down. Then I just sanded everything smooth. Next I wired the lamp, and then I glued the bottom piece onto the top piece. Then I finished everything with some varnish.